denied entry into the United States? In that case, if you have been, you may require what's called a waiver. A waiver application overcomes your inadmissibility. There could be many reasons why you would be considered inadmissible. Predominantly, most clients are denied entry into the US because there was an offense on their record. So to overcome that, we would have to apply for a waiver application. A waiver application needs to be submitted at a visa office, and it could take a few months. So ensuring that you have the right documents present to the visa office to make that decision is very important. Plus, once you have applied for the waiver, this is something that every so often, depending on how long the officer issues the permit for, it could be issued up to 5 years at a time, you may have to reapply and so forth. So one of the things that we do is once we submit the application to the visa office, we give you a copy of your file. So in case you want to refile your own application, you're able to do so when that waiver application expires. So that's one benefit of proceeding with the firm. Another thing that you want to keep in mind with the waiver application is, depending on the offense, it might be recommended that you also apply for what they call a Canadian pardon or a record suspension that's referred to as of now. So that's another thing to demonstrate to the immigration officer or the visa officer that you are essentially rehabilitated, that you're not a threat to the American people, and that you should be allowed entry into the US. Last thing I want to mention is when it comes to the waiver application, the more immediate and urgent your need is, the higher your chances of getting the application approved. So maybe you have a business in the United States, maybe there's a family emergency and things like this. Those applications have a higher chance of success versus leisure purposes. So when you do apply for a waiver, keep that in mind. If you're looking at submitting a waiver application, give us a call today and let us assess and see how we can help you move forward. Thank you, and until next time.